Learn Quran with Manhal Islamic Institute. At Manhal, we welcome everyone, men, women, and children from anywhere in the world to join our Quran learning programs. We offer classes for all levels. Number 1. Beginners. Start from the basics, learning Arabic letter and step-by-step Quran reading. Number 2. Intermediate. For those who can read the Holy Quran but want to recite with correct Tajweed. Number 3. Advanced. For students who wish to memorize the Holy Quran with proper guidance. So why choose us? One-to-one live classes with qualified teachers. Flexible timings, learn anytime that suits you. Supportive teachers who guide you at every step. Accessible for all ages and all backgrounds. So, no matter your level, we are here to help you achieve your Quran learning goals easily and effectively. Join us today and start your journey of learning the Quran from the comfort of your home.